Let's go. Now we are recording this. Let's see if everything is clean. Nothing running there, so we are clean. Just Terraform. Maybe Jungle. So let's practice again. Let's create a provider, the main TF, to create EC2 instances. Let's define the provider. Let's define the Terraform block. And let's specify the providers we need for it. AWS is gonna be one of them. Source is gonna be HashiCorp. AWS, the version is gonna be 5.0. Let's configure the provider now. Yes, the region, this is where we want to deploy this. Okay, now vertical split. Let's use the main. Let's provision and download the plugin for AWS. Let's get the AMI, let's get the instance, let's get the output. Good. Data. AWS AMI is gonna be image. And then the filter is gonna be by name. Values are gonna be hello. Oh, well, it's gonna be Ubuntu AMD 64 server. Yeah, that's about it. Most recent years, owners of the AMI, we only trust AWS, Amazon. Now we have this. Let's create. Server. From the beginning, let's use this spot instance request. AMI is gonna be data AWS AMI image.id, right? And instance type, it's gonna be, let's work with T3 micro as usual. Okay, spots, we are gonna define the price, which is gonna be 0.02023. Spot type, persistent. Tags. This one doesn't work, I don't know why. Hello there. Environment, matrix. Output, let's have the IP address of this one, which is going to be values equal to the instance spot instance request dot server dot public IP. Let's check the documentation. Let's go. Okay, I'm still not that good. Okay, let's create now this. Yes, let's do it. Got something? Ah, yeah. We are starting with something. Okay, first step, we need SSH access to this machine, so let's do it. What we need to do that? split, let's say SSH. What? Software? X1, okay. Let's see. Alright. We need the SSH key. AWS key pair. We need the key name, which is gonna be the same. Key P. We need a public key. And we need a file. Okay. So let's create a new one. SSH key. Okay, we are going to use this one to connect into our machine, our remote machine. Perfect. Now let's specify this to the machine. So we will say key name is gonna be AWS key pair kp key name. Good. Let's deploy this. So now we will have access to the machine. But for what? We need this. Shebang. The last time I had issues because I had spaces at the beginning, so let's do this the same. No, let's not make the same mistake, but let's have the first letter, first character to be the shebang. The bash shebang. Right. So what about here? We are going to use Ubuntu machine, which means apt update yes, install nginx yes, sudo systemctl enable nginx, start yes, and let's do echo I am alive rows bar html index.html. So that's it. Let's apply this. We have the user data and we got the keeper name, so we should be able to get into the machine and see if it's working. Let's evaluate this. AWS get instances. No machines? What? Ah, it's been created. It's been created. It's getting created. Okay, is it done? Oh yeah, missing something. We got the SSH key in place, but what about the network access? Network access. So we need the security group. Security group developer devs name. I don't remember. Ingress. Okay. What we need here? From ports 22 to port 22. Protocol TCP. CIDR what? Access? CIDR block. Now we are not that we have nginx. I need to open the port 80 as well. And egress, it's gonna be pretty much the same, right? protocol is going to be -1 from port to port. Is it like this? I guess so. Okay, we can do Terraform validate. It's still destroying. Okay, CIDR blocks, makes sense. Validate. Is it good now? Yes, amazing. I'm making it without reading documentation, without Googling. Okay, but this is taking a lot of time. It's destroying what? I have nothing. Why is it taking a lot of time? Shutting down. Okay, I want to specify something. I really would like to be explicit, which is public, associate public IP address. Yeah, I want that to be specifically defined here. Associate public IP address, true. Okay, now my color looks much more cool. Okay, now we have everything in place. We just need this, wait for this to get destroyed. What is going on here? 3 minutes and it's still destroying. Shutting down. Try to do something. How to force stop and terminate. Use AWS CLI. Yeah, I think it's stuck or something. Terminate that. Now it's in place. Okay, this is giving me some solutions. All right, let's see. Running, yeah, it was fast. Oh wait, no outputs? What do you mean? I have an output here. Where is my public IP address, bro? What about this? Why are you ignoring this one? Are empty. But I have an IP address here. You dumbass. Okay. So we have this SSH key now. Oh, this is the curl. No, we don't have anything working in there. Let's see what we have inside. Nothing. Okay, let's see. What's wrong here? Nothing weird. Oh, I see. Well, apt update's been working. Where is Nginx? Nginx got installed, but didn't get enabled. It is running. What is going on? Now it's working? What? Okay. Or it got some time. So the instance was up and working, but the user data was still under execution. Yeah, it is working, but something is not well good. Where is my index? I see. No. Where is my index? This is wrong. Sudo T. That is the way to go. And if I do this manually, cool local host. No, not yet. Wait, what's wrong? I'm sorry. Yes, this is wrong. Oh man. Now it is good. So what now? Now it will recreate the instance, I guess. Gosh, how much time is it? 15 minutes. Okay. So we have the ability to create the instance, to make this spot instance, to have user data, to have SSH keys. There's one thing I would like to check. What is this? Okay. Well, let's get it recreated. Okay. I need user data in places. Great, amazing. SSH is working. Security groups, what I have. Now, I need a way to have access to S3 so I can download my, let's just do AWS S3 LS like here, and let's output that to the index HTML. Yeah, whatever. So what's going on here? Okay, anyways, let's do that. For that matter, what I need is, I wanted to test something. Wanted to check this output of the cloud init from my AWS CLI, which is what I need. AWS EC2, what was the thing? Get console output. Get console output. So, what do you need? Instance ID. This is the one. What is that? That's my console output. It sucks. I want to see my instance user data text outputs after my bash script got executed, but this doesn't seem to help. Terrible English, but yeah, I can understand. Output text, let's see. it doesn't really help. It doesn't really help. Okay, that was I tried. Now let's go with the AAM thing. Okay, let's see. S3 think.
I didn't understand that.
Shut up. I did a typo now for you. Okay, I need the AM role, I need the AM policy, I need to attach the policy to the role. What then? Go and update the user data to get the S3 info. Nice. Cool. Role policy. That's all. That's all I need. No. Wait. We need the instance profile. And finally, also the instance profile to instance. Okay, let's go. AM role. Role. This is gonna be name. I don't know what to label this. Name. EC2 dev role. Whatever. Test. Okay, something is wrong here. Let's learn by reading documentation. AAM role. No, I don't want data. Yes, test role. AAM role. What is wrong? Oh yeah, it's missing something. So, assume role policy. It's just as simple as that. Terraform. Okay. Isn't there another much more cleaner way to do it? Just an end of file and copy paste my role. Copy paste my policy. Yeah, the policy is like that. That's a policy example. Create user, AAM user. Okay, you have something different here. Assume role policy, JSON encode. What does that mean? Isn't it the same thing? Okay. Let's ask my little brother. So I'm trying to create a role instance policy and instance profile so my server can have access to S3. Not sure if define my policies using a new file or encode what? JSON encode to manage my policies. What are the different and what's the benefits? Okay, so what? Use JSON encode when you need to include dynamic values or variables in your policy. You want a stronger error checking before apply, okay? You're integrating with other Terraform features like for each. Alright, so templating basically. And on file, you are copy pasting basically. right? Policy is complex, deeply nested structures. You prefer the standard JSON format for readability. So both of them are different. This one, the end of file is standard JSON, the regular one. The other one might be a little bit different. Slightly different syntax from standard JSON. I really hate this. Why they're just not basically the same, very same thing, like build templates from other engines. Now how to maintain both of them, but seems pretty similar. Okay, I have the S3 access. I had the get bucket and the list bucket. The read-only access, basically. Yeah, that's the one. That's what I want. Now, yeah, this is the end of file. What is different here? Standard JSON. Which one to use? JSON encode. Statement. Effect. Resource. Seems to be practically the same. So I will use the JSON encode. So just in the future I need to add dynamic content. Okay. Assume role policy. JSON encode. Let's go. Version what? No, what are you doing? Okay, version this thing. Let's get fun. Let's have fun. 12.10. That's the version. Statement. Statement. Effect. Law. Principle. First time writing this thing, it's amazing. Service. EC2. Amazon AWS.com. Action. STS assume role. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. Totally right. Okay, I guess it's good. The policy. Policy object document. I don't know. S3 access policy. Does this need a name? Policy access. No. S3 dev policy access. Read access. Policy. JSON encode. And here we go. Pretty much same thing. Version. Okay. Statements. this wrong. Statement. Effect. Law. Action. Now here we go. It is different. Statement. And this thing doesn't know how to work. Okay, statement. Statement. One statement, okay? Oh, cool. Okay, statement, an array of things. Here we're starting with one. Okay. Looking better. So what? S3, get object access, get object. Now this one has commas. S3, list bucket. Okay. Oh, 1 second. What is going on? Okay, let's finish this. Let's finish this. We are doing well, we are learning. Resources. ARN, AWS S3. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Okay. Good, we are good to go now. Now this is in the wrong format. No need for this, no need for this. Effect. Okay. Service. Action. I guess pretty good now. Should be in a good shape. Let's go. Yeah, how much time? Half an hour. Oh no, what's wrong? Syntax error. There's always... No, what's wrong? Oh, wait. No, it's good. What's wrong? Name, path, description, policy. Syntax errors in policy. Okay, let's see what that is. Name, we have a name. Syntax error. Okay, first let's not use camel case, just in case. Policy access. This is okay. Policy, JSON encodes. Okay, version. We're good with the version. Yes. Statement. Yes. We have one object in a statement. Yes. Effect. Now action. It's gonna be 2 actions. Get object. Get object. List bucket. Yeah. The resources. It's not resources. It's resource. What else? That's it. That's pretty much it. Still failing. I don't get what's wrong here. On policy, street policy. What is wrong here? Resource. Resource. Typo. Okay, now we need to attach this to the policy to the role. So how to do that? Policy attachment. Still wrong. Okay. The version doesn't seem to be good. No, it is good. What's wrong? The policy failed legacy parsing. On what? The S3 policy. Okay, let's get some help from ChatGPT. No. In the meantime, let's work on this. Attachment. Policy attachment. The ARM format for S3 web packet is missing a column. Let me fix it. Oh, it's 3 columns. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know it. Let's continue. Okay, the attachment does it need a name? I don't think so. Yeah, it needs a name. What? Okay. Policy attachment. I really hate this. What else? Name, users, roles, policy, ARN. Roles, policy, ARN. Good. Roles, policy, ARN. Policy ARN is gonna be AWS AM policy S3 policy.arn. What about roles? It's gonna be AWS AM role.main dot what? Name? I guess. Let's see. Instance profile. Instance profile. Instance profile. It's getting working. It's getting there. No. Instance provider should be pretty straightforward. Role, that's it. Okay, and now we can go to the instance and we can say instance profile. It's gonna be AWS instance profile ints main name ARN. Okay. Okay, what is this? What is then? The instance profile is in place. Now, how to use it? AAM instance profile. So what's this? The ARN? The name, okay. Let's see. This is done. Instance profile, it's not supported. Yeah, of course it is AAM. This one is AAM. Good. Amazing. We did it, I guess. So what we have here? It's doing it, yeah. We have the role, the policy, and the attachment, and the instance profile. So for the role, we need to assume, well, both of them have the JSON encode. Yeah, we know the difference between JSON encode and end of file. Yeah. Both of them have name. Assume role policy for the role and policy for the policy. Okay. We have let me finish this. It is working, so let's complete this. Doesn't have AWS EC2 here. This is so stupid. Unbelievable. Let's try it. Let's connect to the machine. Okay, I don't like this, but that's the way how it works. This is the way it works. I don't like that. Okay. It was good. No. Sudo -a. Okay. Let's memorize here. Both policies have their effects, allow, principal. The other one doesn't have principal, but has the action and the resource. Well, both of them might have that, but I don't know. Action is what they have. Principal has the assume role. It's gonna be who. It's gonna be the principal, and it's gonna be a service. EC2 Amazon AWS.com. So effect who, principal, what action, STS assume role. What, who, and what. And what exactly? The dev policy, the version, and a bunch of statements. One single statement. Effect allow, action, read, resource, the ARN. Pretty much that's it. Then we have the policy attachment, roles, the policy ARN. Finally, put the role to the instance with instance profile, AAM instance profile. Just specify the role and that's it. AAM instance profile, and that's it. Pretty much. And now we have access to S3. We should. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, it's trying to do, it's working well. APT is working right now. It's updating, it's taking its time. How can I know? How do we know? We just don't know. We need to check the cloud init output from time to time. It is working, it's trying to do stuff. So our curl, it's not working because we don't even have curl. We don't even have, oh, all right, we have Nginx now, cool. We have Nginx now. Am alive, bros? Yeah, we have something. We're getting there. AWS CLI has been installed. And then, come on. Tun 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 tun. Yeah, yeah. I'm alive, bros, and we have the content from the packet. If we do, it's amazing. What was this? The name of this weird bucket. It should be, because we are seeing something there, which is this recording, that I don't know what it is. Perfect. Flawlessly. We're good to go. Bye-bye. Yes, it was amazing. I'm really happy about this. I don't need you. Well, these cool things, well, that's what sucks. We'll figure it out later. Alright, bye bye, it's time to go.